Hello. We are back again with another shop with me video. Today I'm at Burlington handbag section. Let me quickly show you. Look at these bags. These got my attention. Let's quickly see what this looks like. If you like my type of video, consider subscribing, share this video. Share. Look, I love this bag. Look at this big silver chain on this. This is very good, and this one is by this brand, and this you get for 19.99 there. Here they have lots of black bags, and here we have this bag by Guess. This is a top handle bag. I love the size, and this one is 34.99. Here we have another one. All right, we will be doing more of smaller bags, top handle bag next season. So they have lots of top handle bags here. This one is 24.99 by this brand. Yeah, and up here they have more bigger bags. Yeah, top handle. This one is 19.99. And here we have this tote bag. Let's see if we can grab the front. Okay, this one is by Nightwise, and this is 29.99. Interesting. Here we have this one by Steve. This was $108. Today you get for 29.99. Good. And here is this shoulder bag, very big, with two gold zip. This is not functional actually. Right? Good. This one is 19.99. Up here we have this bag. Yeah, by this brand. Yeah, and this is 22.99. Here we have this. This looks like one you can get from YSL, and this one is by Steve Madden. This is good. Interesting traveling bag. It was 108. Today you get it for 37.99. Here we have this one. I love the leather. This was $79. Today you get for 19.99. Right. More black handbags. Yeah, they'll have lots of backpacks. And here we have this one. This is an interesting big bag in black. Yeah, it's nicely made. Okay, and this one. Oh, let's see. Yeah, it feels so good. The quality is good. Store price is not on this one. Trust me, it's very good. And they have lots of backpack here. More of black backpacks. Yeah, different sizes. Right, and here we have this one for $16.99. And here they have colorful bags. We've seen this in black, same price for $19.99. All right, yeah. Let me take you to. Let's go to skirt section and see what they have there. Okay. Yeah, let's go to skirt section. Oh, look. I love the color. We are doing color brown. Next season is gonna be big. Okay, if you have brown color, just start bringing them out. And here, look at this shoulder bag with this tassel. Very good for $12.99. Interesting. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, I saw something that got my attention. See, look at these pants. This will be huge next month. Yeah, upcoming seasons. Yeah, this is suede bag, suede everything. If you have suede in your Close it, bring them out. This one is 19.99. Very good. And this is by Levi's. Interesting. Okay. Yeah. All right, let me show you. I saw, actually, I'm trying to show you, upcoming pieces. They have lots of it, and they still have summer pieces in the store. But look, this feels so good. The quality is so good. This is by Levi's, and yeah, the quality is really, really good. Okay, look, the quality is so good. The color is so good as well. Nicely made with silver hardware. Okay, store price for this one is, I said, this is just $29.99. I wish I would see this in my size. Okay, we are going to see lots of cropped motor jackets next season. Okay, and this is cropped. I love this. It's nicely cropped. This one is in size, yeah, size medium. Size large would be a better fit for me because I don't like tight fitting pieces. Look at this blazer, one button light blazer for $16.99. And here, of course, look at this one, nicely cropped. I love this. The color is good as well for $17.99. And of course, here, this is one of them that made me to stop. Look, it's all about the print. You are going to see it really, really, really next season. Look at this. This is interesting print. All right, and this is new in the store for this is $16.99. And let me show you another trend. Look, look, look. The sweat feel. Look at this. Yeah, this is the dress. Yeah, this is a good dress. Look, with two side pockets, sleeveless. Interesting. Yeah, I can get away with that next season with good stockings, near high boots, and blazer. All right, still on trend. So this, let me take you to skirt section because I want to see if I can grab something interesting for me. Okay, we are here. All right, look at this. I am looking at this. Look at this. We are doing this print. Seriously, you're gonna see more of this next season. Bring them out. I love this color. It's so unique for $10.99 in size large. It's very good. And also, we are doing this. This is pleated skirt. Pleated skirt is still in. Very good. Look at that. I'm seeing lots of sweat in the store. Yes. Grab them, grab them, grab them, grab them. Grab them, okay? This is $7.49 on sale. Okay, the noise that side is too much, so I left that side. Okay, let's see if we can grab something meaningful this side. Okay, yeah, I am seeing lots of pleated skirts in the store. Look at this floral one, interesting. And this is $13.99. Interesting prints. Look at that, lots of pleated skirts. This is $13.99. They are midi skirts. Okay, look at that, lots of them. If you are looking for these, $13.99, come to Burlington. Good midi skirt, flowy midi skirt. Look at that. This one, $12.99. Here we have this one, very good for $13.99. I got this brand. Yeah, I got this, the pant one, the same color. Yeah, but this is the skirt, $13.99. And here Yeah, you see lots of midi skirts. Look, this one is by DKNY, very good, for $24.99. And you have sweater skirts, midi skirts. Look, all right, look at that, very good. Okay, and this one store price is $14.99. And yeah, if you are all about trends, you want to join the trend, come to TJ Maxx. Yeah, get quality pieces and you're good to go. $13.99. All right. If you made it to this point, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, lots of skirts. And until next time. Bye for now.